In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand the size of a chart in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever found a chart too small to read, or you want it to stand out in a presentation, resizing it is quick and straightforward. We'll keep things simple and stick to the essentials, while I point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Google Sheet on your computer and navigate to the sheet that contains the chart you want to adjust. Once your sheet is open, locate the chart you want to resize and click it to select it. When the chart is selected, you'll see a border appear around it, usually with small handles on the corners and edges. This border lets you know the chart is active and ready to be adjusted. Next, move your mouse over any corner or edge of the chart. Hover gently until your cursor changes to a resize cursor, typically a double-headed arrow. Corners allow you to scale the chart both horizontally and vertically at the same time, which helps keep the proportions balanced. Edges let you adjust just the width or the height if you need a more specific fit. Now click, and while holding down the mouse button, drag outward to make the chart larger. As you drag, you'll see the chart expand in real time, so you can judge how it looks within your sheet. Take your time here. If you're placing the chart alongside data, make sure it isn't covering important cells or overlapping other elements. When the chart reaches the size you want, release the mouse button to set it in place. If it ends up a little too big or too small, that's okay. Just repeat the drag to fine-tune it. You can also use the grid and column widths as visual guides to align the chart neatly with your data. And if you make a change you don't like, a quick undo with your keyboard shortcut will take you back. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet and select the chart, click to activate it, hover until the resize cursor appears. Drag from a corner or an edge to expand it, and release when it looks right. With just a few clicks and a short drag, your chart becomes easier to read, more polished, and better suited for sharing or presenting. And that's how you expand chart size in Google Sheets on desktop.